Pasta with sausage is a classic, and today we're going to teach you the best version. To start, we'll chop an onion. Dice it finely like this. Next, chop 2 tomatoes as well. In the skillet, add a drizzle of olive oil. Add 2 chopped garlic cloves. Add the onion and tomato. Stir while it fries. Now, let's add 150 grams of tomato sauce. Quickly slice 5 sausages into rounds. Mix them into the sauce and let it cook for 2 minutes. At this point, add 160 grams of pre-cooked fusilli pasta. Add 350 milliliters of water. Now just stir. Add a pinch of salt. Let it cook for 7 minutes. It's almost ready. Let's just add some chopped chives to bring a bit of freshness and stir. From the pan to the plate, let's give it a taste. A classic that always pleases, with that refreshing touch of chives. Simple, quick, and delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more practical ideas like this, and comment below how you usually prepare your pasta with sausage. That's it for now. See you next time.